Hello everybody to lesson 38 of HTML Deep Understanding course. This lesson is the second part of HTML5 and HTML4 differences. In this lesson we'll continue our differences. Also we have something called in HTML5, something called non-semantic and semantic. The non-semantic means a tag that doesn't mean what it contains. For example, like the div, span. The div and span, we don't know what we have there. Maybe image, maybe a table tag. But the semantic tag is the tag that contains, or its name is like what it contains. For example, we have form, which contains a form. We have table, which contains a table. We have, for example, article, which would contain some structure like the article. Okay, so here we have an image of what are the what are the structure of the table or the structure of the HTML page. For example, here we have a header in HTML5. Make it easier for the programmer to define the structure of his page. For example, here we have the header, the navigation, the section, the article, and the footer. Here the aside. So these things should be followed when you design a website or a web page. So the header tag, we write there the header or the navigation that we want. The navigation includes the navigation. So all these tags are non-semantic. Semantic. I'm sorry. So these tags are semantic. Why? Because the header contains the heading of the website. The nav contains the navigation. The section contains a specific section. You could replace the section or the article as we want. The aside contains the right nav bar that they call it. The footer contains the footer that we have it in our website. So these elements could make it easier for the programmer, also for the search engines when they trying to archive your website. So we have another thing, which is this one. In HTML4, to define a header, you need to write ID, then header, then use it in CSS to define what you want from this header. Also, but also for the other things. But in HTML5, we have only the header, and we have nav, section, article. So if you need to modify or control this part, only use its name, and you will get it. Okay, so it makes it easier. Whether to write the ID in the header, then you call the ID, then deal with it, or just call the name directly and go ahead. So it makes a big difference, and it's wonderful when we use that things. So that was the lesson for this moment, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.